I decided I was going to show you what I've been working on. A friend of mine gave me his broken original Nintendo. So I took it apart, and inside is an Arduino Mega, bluesmirf, Bluetooth device, some LEDs, and I wired the Nintendo up to controller port 1, and then it just goes from the Arduino Mega to the Bluetooth bluesmirf dongle, and then out to my phone. Eventually I'm going to hook up the second port, because only the first one's hooked up right now, and I want to add the Super Nintendo ports. So if you have a Nintendo emulator, Super Nintendo emulator, I think Sega uses the same amount of buttons as the Super Nintendo, so any game you'll be able to play. So when you turn it on, you'll see that red blinking. That's the bluesmirf looking for a device to connect to. And so on your phone, you'll need an app called Arduino. I think that's pronounced right, I don't really know. And you'll connect to it. I've already done it once, so it's in there already. But when it's connected, the light will turn green. And basically, it's kind of blurry, I'm sorry. It's looking for data from the controller, which is plugged into port 1. And so whenever you push a button, it gets sent to the phone. And I added some LEDs because the Arduino Mega has a bunch of in and outs. And so whenever you push a button, the LEDs light up. Whenever you get it connected to your phone, you want to launch your favorite emulator and game. Right now we're playing Super Mario Bros. 3.
Like a king, but I'm treated like a trooper. They say I'm only a man, but I'm feeling pretty super. And I'ma be bigger than the rest, and maybe I'll rest when I'm the very best. And I control the game like Star Select is on my chest, man. Yeah, there's only one direction where I wanna go. Side scrolling, I know everything that lies ahead of me. Like I got a strategy guide for my life, and I'm sure I can do the impossible. I'm unstoppable, like Santa Gold. And all my obstacles, but I hope they got a code, cause I'ma take over like Hover, God mode. I'm feeling invincible, yeah, I'ma be a star, man. Pulling strings from the top, you can call it harping. If this is your castle, excuse me while I barge in. And my grind don't pause, so don't bother pressing start then. I made my way to the end, since I'm in now. I don't care what they do, I don't play to lose my way. And I'll take on every thread that gets stuck to the ground. I'm the one to fear, I'll fight like I got lives to spare. Oh yeah, this life is just a game, and everyone in the world is playing. And we're all trying to make our way to the end. We all see and not change. So I'm leaving the ground behind me. We're past the stars if you're trying to blind me. And if you're playing to see me lose, watch what I'm about to do. It's game over for you. Game over. Game over. I swear swear my peers will turn green when they see me. This is my world, y'all can fight to be Luigi. And I grind all night, call it tantric. And every time I sit down and write, I make magic. Pick up the pen and tell them what's going on around my cerebellum. And if you think you're anything more than a Robin to my Batman, your skull must be quite thick. Stay silent like sidekicks while I get blackberry bold. Cause shy guys don't get the throne, they get thrown. And what I write is gonna take me where I wanna go. Arthur becomes king like the sword and the stone. And in this game I'm doing more than holding my own. I'm skipping over all the levels, warp zone. I want it all, get some greedy, Wario. And lame saying we, but I don't need two eyes to see that while I run the game, boy, you'll stay small, portable. I made my way to the end, can't stop me now. I don't care what they do, I don't play to lose. And I'll take on every threat that gets bumped to the ground. I'm the one to fear, I'll fight like I got lives to spare. Oh yeah, this life is just a game, and everyone in the world is playing. And we're all trying to make our way to the end. We all see not change. So I'm leaving the ground behind me. Look past the stars if you try to fly me. And if you're playing to see me lose, watch what I'm about to